Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. In this video we are going to find f of x, then we are going to evaluate the sum of f of 1, f of 2 up to f of 20. In the first step in this equation we put x equals 0 and y equals 0. So this equation becomes f of 0 equals f of 0 plus f of 0, or we can write f of 0 equals 0. In the next step in this expression we put x equals 0, and we're going to get 2 times k equals 0, or k equals 0. So this equation becomes f of x equals a plus 1 times x squared plus 1 minus a squared times x, because k equals 0. In the next step in this equation we put y equals 1 over x, so we're going to get f of x plus 1 over x equals f of x plus f of 1 over x, and x times y, or x times 1 over x, equals to 1, and we get minus 1 in here. As you can see, f of x equals a plus 1 times x squared plus 1 minus a squared times x, and to find f of x plus 1 over x we need to replace x by x plus 1 over x, and to find f of 1 over x we need to replace x by 1 over x in this equation. So we're going to get this expression x plus 1 over x all to the power 2 by using perfect square formula can be expanded, and is equal to x squared plus 1 over x squared plus 2, and by multiplying these terms by a plus 1 we get this expression, and 1 minus a squared times x plus 1 over x equals to 1 minus a squared times x plus 1 minus a squared times 1 over x. As you can see, this term and this term are same, and in also this term and this term and this term and this term, and in the next step we can remove all same terms, and only on the left hand side we have 2 times a plus 1, and on the right hand side we have minus 1. Now solve this equation for a, and we get a equals to minus 3 over 2. We want to find an expression for f of x. Now we have a equals minus 3 over 2, and then by replacing a by minus 3 over 2 we can find f of x, and we get f of x equals minus 1 over 2 times x squared minus 5 over 4 times x. In the next step, we want to find the sum of f of 1, f of 2 up to f of 20. So we need to replace x by 1, 2, 3 up to 20 times, and we're going to get minus 1 over 2 times 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared up to 20 squared, minus 5 over 4 times 1 plus 2 up to 20. As you know, the sum of the square of first n natural numbers equals to n times n plus 1 times 2 times n plus 1 over 6, and in our problem the number of natural number is 20. So 1 squared plus 2 squared up to 20 squared is equal to 20 times 21 times 41 over 6, And the next step, we need to find the sum of first natural numbers 1 plus 2 up to 20. And as you know, the sum of first and natural numbers is equal to n times n plus 1 over 2. And in this case, n equals 20. So the sum of these terms equals to 20 times 21 over 2. By calculate these fractions, we're going to get the sum of f of 1, f of 2 up to f of 20 equals to minus 3,395 over 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.